square plus y square is t plus 1 by t. X power 4 plus y power 4 is t square plus 1 by t square. Then we need to find this x cube y into dy by dx. See, just observe it. First of all, you just try to find a relation between x and y by eliminating this t. Okay. So we have x square plus y square is t plus 1 by t, right? Just do squaring on both sides. What will happen? X square plus y square whole square is equals to t plus 1 by t whole square. And then try to simplify this. What will happen? X power 4 plus y power 4 plus 2x square y square. Is it right? And coming to the right side, t square plus 1 by t square plus 2. Okay. Now just observe this x power 4 plus y power 4 is t square plus 1 by t square. So just cancel out this x power 4 plus y power 4 left side and t square plus 1 by t square right side. Now this is 2 x square y square is 2. Then we left with x square y square is equals to 1. Okay. So we have that x square y square is equals to 1. And what we need to calculate? We need to find x cube y into dy by dx, right? So now x square y square is 1. What is dy by dx? So y square is equals to 1 by x square, right? Y square is equals to 1 by x square. You just apply derivative. For y square it is 2y into dy by dx. Whereas that side for 1 by x square, x power minus 2. Minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 2 by x cube into 1. So this is simply minus 2 by x cube. Then cancel out this 2 and 2, right? Collect x cube this side. You left with x cube y dy by dx is equals to minus 1 directly. Okay. Once again have it. This is given x square plus y square is t plus 1 by t. And this is mentioned that x power 4 plus y power 4 as t square plus 1 by t square. Now to calculate this x cube y into dy by dx, just eliminate t, establish a relation between x and y. So squaring on both sides. Okay. So x power 4 plus y power 4 plus 2x square y square is t square plus 1 by t square plus 2. So since these two are equal, cancel these two. X square y square is 1, y square is 1 by x square. Differentiate on both sides. We left with minus 1 as our answer. That's the problem. Okay. Have a look. Collect screenshot.